Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Siyuan and Logseq. In order to do so, here we are at b3log.org/Siyuan. That's Siyuan, and we're also at logseq.com. In order to do a comparison, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic tool that integrates in your Chrome browser and allows you to ask questions of the top AI chat models at any time. So according to Cider, both Siyuan and Logseq are popular tools for knowledge management and note-taking, but they do have some key differences. Siyuan is open source and built on top of Joplin. It supports Markdown and WYSIWYG editing. It focuses on simplicity, making it easy for users familiar with Markdown, and it offers cloud sync plugins and a nice minimalist interface. It's good for general note-taking and personal knowledge base. Logseq, on the other hand, is open source outliner and knowledge graph tool. It's primarily outliner based with the focus on bi-directional linking. It supports Markdown and ORG mode. Its strong emphasis on non-linear note relationships, backlinks, and graph visualization. It's designed for knowledge work, research, and linking ideas. But which one should you choose? If you prefer a simple Markdown based note app with good sync, Siyuan might be better. If you're into outlining, linking notes, and visualizing relationships, Logseq is more powerful. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.